Hey Stunning Fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. Today we are going to be making a dog gate for our stairs. Our puppy Bear is an indoor dog, and so it was important to us for him to be able to come in and out throughout the day while we're at work. So this was a good fix so that we could leave him inside the house during the day without having to worry about him having an accident on our carpet. The first thing that we did was cut 2x4s. 2 of them were cut to 29 inches and then 2 of them were cut to 54 inches. And these 2x4s are essentially going to be making a rectangle for the frame of our dog gate. Brandon then used a table router to create an indent on all 4 pieces because he is going to place vinyl reversible panel molding onto the back of the dog gate. We decided to just do the eggshell white paint color for this gate because it's the same color as our walls in our house and we really wanted it to just blend in with the walls. Brandon is now using the pocket holes to secure the frame together with screws. After securing the frame together, he then placed the vinyl reversible panel molding on the back of the dog gate with a nail gun. Brandon and Tori are putting together 1x6 pine wood with 2x4s to place on the top and the bottom of the dog gate, which is where the drawer sliders will be placed. We did experience a little bit of a stunning misadventure. We created the dog gate a little bit too tall, so Brandon had to use a multi-tool to cut an indent for our light switch so that we'd be able to turn it on and off. And then also in the bottom, which isn't necessarily a stunning misadventure, it's more of something we needed to do so that the dog gate would be touching close to the carpet, was to create an indent for our baseboard so that the wood would go right over our baseboard. Okay, so the next part was the drawer slides. This part we had to wait to do about a week and a half because when we went to go to Home Depot, the price for these drawer slides, these 40-inch drawer slides, was astronomical. And then we went on Amazon and it was half the price. So we were willing to wait, a week and a half for it to arrive to pay half the price. Tori is our drawer slide fairy, so she came over and helped us install these onto the pieces of wood so that everything would fit correctly. After we installed the drawer slides, we did the final touch-ups of painting and finished that all up so that it blended really well with the wall. We really like how this gate turned out. It's great for dogs. We also are planning on having children down the road, so it'll be nice to not only keep dogs out but also children. It's going to come to great use for our family. Again, we really appreciate y'all taking time out of your day to come watch our videos. I hope that you have a really great week, and like and subscribe. See you next time.